Hello. Today we're going to be learning how to play Lost Boy by Ruth B. This song is a very simple song on the piano, and it's very good for beginners who are learning new chords and getting used to new chords. There are only 4 chords in this whole song, and most of the song is just very simply just playing the chords again and again, so it's very good for learning. But even if you're a more experienced piano player, there's still a beauty in simple songs, so you can also play this song. To start, let's go over the 4 chords. The first chord is the E minor chord. Very simple. This is your E, so this is your middle C, C, D, E, E minor chord. That's your first chord that you're going to play in the song. The second chord is the G minor chord. So C, D, E, F, G. This is your G, so your thumb is going to be at G, and you're going to play your G chord. Right? So, and then, now the third chord is the C major chord. This is C. We put our thumb at C. Then we go back to our G minor chord, but this time we're going to play it lower. So this is also G. Since this is also C, C, D, E, F, G, we could also go backwards from this middle C, C, B, A, G, because we start at A, B, C. So the order of the chords in this song is going to be E, G, C major, G. So note that they're all minor chords except for the C major. So E minor, G minor, C major, back to G minor. And now the fourth chord that only comes every once in a while is the only time we're using this black key. So it's actually a D chord, a D major chord. So C, D, right? So for a D major chord, we actually play these 3 notes. Don't play the white key, because then you'll end up playing a minor chord. So D major. And those are all the 4 chords in the whole song. And the thing is, there's one pattern of playing that you have to learn. Every time you play this D major chord, you have to play this pattern of playing. And what this pattern of playing is, it's still along with the D major chord. So put your left hand on the other D major chord. So notice this is a C, this is also C, go to the D. Put both your hands on the position of the D major chord. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually, normally you would play using your first finger, your third finger, and your 5th finger. But this you're going to be using your 2nd finger and your 4th finger, and you'll see why. When we play this pattern, it's actually that's the pattern. One more time. Except it'll be quite a bit faster. So where does that out of the ordinary D major chord and the pattern going up, back to the pattern, where does that come in the song? Every time you sing, and ever since that day, and then back to E minor. So make sure you practice that before you put that pattern into the song. Practice that transition, going from your regular E minor pattern and then breaking that pattern, going from E minor to D major, because normally you would go E minor to G minor, but this is the only occasion where you break that pattern. Notice, why are we using our 2nd and 4th finger? It's because when we do that, makes it easy for us to easily go back into our E minor chord and then back to our pattern. So that's the pattern. So this song is a relatively slow song, and it's very, it has a bit of a melancholy atmosphere. So you want to soften your chords. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your pedal to soften your playing. If you don't know how to pedal, you can also play without using the pedal. But if you do know how to pedal, use the pedal when you're sitting on the piano. You have 1, 2, 3. Use the one that's the most to your right. Remember to first practice the chords, the pattern of the chords, and that transition, that D major to that pattern, back to E minor. Remember to practice that multiple times before practicing singing along with it. When you put it all together, it should sound something like this. There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man on the moon, and even sometimes he would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with the sweetest smile, told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. And ever since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. He sprinkled me in pixie dust and told me to believe in him and believe in me. Together we will fly away in a cloud of green to your beautiful destiny, as we soared across the sky that never loved me. I realized I finally had a family, so that halfway reached Neverland. Peacefully my feet hit the sand, and ever since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, Wendy, darling, even Captain Hook, you are my perfect storybook. Neverland, I love you so, you are now my home, sweet home forever, a lost boy at last. And for always, I will sing. Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain and lost boys like me are free. Thank you for watching.